Bánh Tráng Nướng or Vietnamese pizza. This street food has become incredibly popular all over Vietnam, thanks to its unique blend of traditional ingredients and modern flavors. Whenever I think of it, I'm reminded of the bustling night market and the joy of discovering new flavors. Today, we're bringing that joy into our kitchen, so let's challenge to make it at home. Hi, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to Daily Bite with Anwar. Today, I'm super excited to share one of my favorite Vietnamese street food, Bánh Tráng Nướng, also known as Vietnamese pizza. This crispy and flavorful treat is a must-try, and the best part is you can easily make it at home. Now, let's get started. This is the ingredient for 3 to 4 people. 6 rice paper, 12 grilled egg. You also can use 6 chicken egg instead. Butter, mayonnaise, and chili sauce. For topping, you can put any topping that you love. Here are my favorite topping to eat with Vietnamese pizza. 150 grams of minced beef, 6 to 8 cocktail chicken sausage, 2 to 3 tablespoons of corn kernels, 1 to 2 tablespoons dry shrimp. You can dry tiny shrimp and stir them with Korean chili powder and sugar. You will have this beautiful color of crispy tiny shrimp. 3 pieces of spread cheese wedges, 2 tablespoons chopped green onion. Some people will put chicken or beef floss. It's also really nice. Now chop the green onion and slice the sausage thinly, like this. And now we cook the corn kernels and stir fry the ground beef with a bit of seasoning powder, and then we set them aside. And now is the fun part. Lay a sheet of rice paper on non-stick pan. Then we spread the butter all over the rice paper. Make sure to spread it all over, even the edge. If not, the edge won't be crispy later. Then pour 2 quail egg over the rice paper. Spread it evenly. The bright yellow egg adds a burst of color and richness. If you don't have quail egg, you can use 1 chicken egg instead. Remember to spread all over the rice paper. Remember to use low heat so it won't get burnt easily. When you see the egg almost cooked like this, then we can start to put all our toppings. First we put beef, then we put green onion, corn kernels, tiny dry shrimp, sausage, and small cube of cheese. Let the rice paper cook until it is crispy, then we are done. Drizzle chili sauce and mayonnaise over the top. Adjust the amount to suit your taste. This is where you can get creative. Wow, it looks so tasty. Yum yum. Carefully transfer the Vietnamese pizza to a plate. Then fold it like this for easier to eat. Share it with your loved one and enjoy the crispy, savory delight together. And here we are, Bánh Tráng Nướng, Vietnamese pizza. To be honest, this is my first try on making this dish. It's quite challenging because I using different type of rice paper. But Alhamdulillah, I successfully make it. But I'm not sure how it tastes. But this is how the Vietnamese pizza in Vietnam street food looks like. Today I'm challenging myself to cook this halal Vietnamese pizza. Let's give it a try. Bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, it's very tasty. It's so crispy and flavorful. The cheese, the meat, the corn, and everything mixed together very well. And it's crispy. That's the main part. But if you can use the rice paper like the vendor, it's very nice. That's it for today. If you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you won't miss out any new recipes. If you have any question or want me to cook something specific, just let me know in the comment below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.